Yes, welcome back, dear children. We were stuck, in the previous video. So we had finished with this, and Miss Kiran will receive rupees 720 from Dinu sir. Now let us come back to the next slide, which is try it yourself. In this do it yourself, you have to solve this on your own. A, B, C and D, you can do it with lattice method and also do it with method number 1. ठीक है? E, F, G, H, you can try the horizontal way of multiplication which I have taught you. Please do this orally. Now fill my diary. Over here, Kiran bought some junk from the junk collectors. ठीक है, 6 notes of 100 make 600, 3 notes of 50 makes 150, 6 notes of rupees 10 makes it 60, 8 notes of rupees 5 makes it 40 rupees, 4 coins of rupees 1 makes it 4 rupees and 7 notes, ये 20 का नोट है, so ये हो जाता है 140 rupees. ठीक है, so abhi I want you all to add this. This is 140. Now I want you to try adding this orally. Let us see if you can add this orally or not. Try it yourself and let me know what answer do you get, dear children. Yes? The answer is 994. If you'll solve it orally, you'll get it within 10 seconds. Now, let me show you the trick कैसे solve करना है. सब big numbers को add करना है साथ में. 600 plus 100, 700 plus 50, 750, 750 plus यहाँ पे 100 है ना, 850. 850 में ये 40 ऐड करो, फिर ये 40 ऐड करो, फिर ये 60 ऐड करो और 4 रुपीज ऐड करो. ये 20 नोट है, हाँ, करेंसी का. आई हैव लेबल्ड इट. So if you will do it, it won't take more than 10 to 15 seconds. Now 994 rupees she got from Dinu sir and she has paid 841 rupees. ये हमको यहाँ पर मिला है word problem में. So when you multiply, you'll get the profit which she has earned. Now I want you to solve this. 919 rupees she has paid to junk collectors, and when she sold, she received this many currencies. So add this. This is 10 rupees. Focus on where I'm highlighting. 100, 50, 20, and this is 28 of rupees 5. So this is 5. 5 का coin है. So 28 multiplied by 5 करो, 5 multiplied by 100, 1 multiplied by 50, 18 multiplied by 10 and 9 multiplied by 20. ये orally करने के बाद आप addition orally करेंगे, dear children, and then you'll find out the total money which she has received from Dinu. The answer you should get is 1050. 1050 you'll subtract with 919. Now this is second standard subtraction. You'll do it again. Note down the time. I want you to try this on your own. Note down the time you are taking to do this addition, multiplication and subtraction. Now, my dear children, how do you utilize this chapter in your day-to-day life? You have to utilize this chapter by observing the bills in your house. You have to solve the bills by adding them orally, mentally. Little bit of rough work you can do. Try to calculate the basic expenses. Basic expenses like maybe how much money you are spending on your stationery, or say your snacks, or your unhealthy food items like junk food. Also try to calculate the expenditure of groceries. Now how to do this? अगर आप मम्मा के साथ सब्जी लेने जा रहे हो and maybe 2 kg tomatoes का प्राइस हो रहा है 45 rupees. So मम्मा ने 50 rupees का नोट दिया शॉपकीपर को, तो आपको कितना रुपीस रिटर्न मिलेगा? that is 5 rupees. So dear children, you have to calculate this way. Now what has happened, जैसे गूगल पे, पेटीएम, ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस, डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शंस आ गए हैं, उससे तो ये ट्रेंड सीखने को ही नहीं मिला. बिकॉज व्हेन वी वर स्मॉल हम तो ऐसे मनी का कंसेप्ट सीखते थे कि इतना रुपीस मम्मी पापा ने दिया, हमें इतना पैसा रिटर्न मिला, और इस तरीके से हम माइंड में बोरोइंग करते थे. जैसे गूगल पे आ गया है, पेटीएम आ गया है, सो अभी तो हम एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट देते हैं. ऑल्सो वी आर इन एन पैंडेमिक, तो कैश को थोड़ा कम ही हम we are avoiding cash transactions. So dear children, आप कैसे सीखोगे? So if रियल में आपको नहीं जाने मिल रहा है मार्केट, सो मम्मी पापा के साथ, आपके सिबलिंग्स के साथ ऐसा गेम खेलो, इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लेइंग सिली गेम्स ऑन योर मोबाइल फोन, एंड ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन योर मेंटल मैथ्स. Recycle and upcycle. See, there are people like Miss Kirin who are trying their bit for the environment, although they are earning money from it. You and I can recycle the goods which are not required, like you had done by making the bird feeder, and you had also some of you had donated by growing a plant in a plastic bottle, and then you had donated it in the school. So dear children, these are the things which you can do. Grow some plants, recycle, upcycle certain things, and that's how you can also study maths and also work on your environment. ठीक है, बट बेसिक कैलकुलेशन, मेंटल कैलकुलेशन सब करेंगे डियर चिल्ड्रन. टेक केयर, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, कीप स्माइलिंग.